If you are a lover of dumplings, I invite you to stay with me. Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and today I'll be doing some plantain dumplings for you. Yeah, you heard right. Some plantain dumplings, people. No, I'm using the grater. You can use a blender, guys. I grate this well, and then I add some salt to my flour. I stir this in, guys, and then fold in my flour into my grated plantains. No, guys, for all of the plantain lovers, yeah, my Spanish people, let me hear that one here for you. If you have a Spanish Jamaican mix, yeah, make it even better. Now, guys, I fold this in nicely. Now, while I'm doing this, guys, remember, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Guys, like my video, leave your comment. Of course, share with me your favorite dumplings, or what do you like to eat your dumplings with. Just tell me in the comment section where you are from, and I certainly will say hi to you. Now, guys, after 15 minutes, people, my dumpling them done fluff up, looking good, nice, and ready to be devoured. Now, guys, look upon this, look good, and I can't wait to dig in. Now, for all my Jamaican people, if you want to put some butter upon this and eat it just so in nice same way, but I'm having mine with some catfish cook up in cauliflower and tomatoes and peppers. Guys, it's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time with me in the kitchen. And of course, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment, turn on your post notification, and I'll see you next week.